Beautiful. What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So this is the moment that you've all been waiting for. Magre-react na po tayo sa Araw Gabi ni Mariel Montellano. So, medyo natagalan na ako no? Nabisi lang talaga. Anyway, it's better late than never. So, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So, iba yung setup natin today kasi andito ako sa bukid. So, I have to gumawa ng paraan. So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video.
At the same time, very nervous kasi, again,
Why? Why daw na nervous?
Some of the songs that we're going to sing are, yun nga, parang bago, na first time natin kakantahin. And we're so grateful na...
So marami silang dala or bagong kanta na ipe-perform dito.
Kayo ang unang makakarinig. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Kung may mga pagkakamali man tayo on the side, supportahan po kami.
Nag-disclaimer ng konting-konti, no?
Pero thank you, JM. You will see JM later po. Just allow me to send you some beautiful songs from the Regine Velasquez.
Let's go!
Pag napili mo yung kanta ni Miss Regine Velasquez, talagang mapipressure ka ng konti, no? But I know that Mariel can handle it and can manage. Intro pa lang, ha? Ang ganda kasi ng kantang to, eh. Eto na, oh. TV. Nice. Beautiful. Very sweet tone. I just love her tone. Sobrang lambing and very soft. No, na parang mai-in-love ka talaga. Ganun yung quality ng boses ni Maria. Nice alteration. Nice control. Nice. Beautiful. So far, ang gusto ko dito is hindi niya masyadong pinilit to sound na parang si Miss Regine. Kasi marami kasing singers na magagaling naman sila. But for some reason, kapag kumakanta sila ng Regine Velasquez songs, parang tinatry din nila na gayahin or somehow marinig yung quality ni Miss Regine sa kanilang version. Which I think is hindi okay sa akin. No, kasi kailangan mong ilagay mo talaga yung style mo doon. And you have to put a mark ba na version ko to. This is how I sing. And kailangan ma-showcase ko yung quality ng boses ko. And that's what Mariel's doing right now. Nice. Ganda ng mga vocal transitions niya. Very clear. Ayan na yung power, oh. Eto na yun. There's that power, oh. Diba, lagi ko sinasabi, sweet but powerful. So don't be fooled by the sweetness of her vocals. Kasi she can really belt. Okay? She can really belt. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nicely done. Galing. Okay, so bago makalimutan, shoutout nga pala sa Jmail Clips for this one. So, i-follow nyo sila. I mean, mag-subscribe kayo kasi marami silang Jmail video performances na ina-upload. Anyway, her version is very simple. Yet, andun yung power, andun yung emotion, no? Nothing flashy, wala siyang ginawang kung anong ka-extrahan, no? Kung anong, very risky ba, no? Walang ganon. I think she just wanted to really showcase her soft side, yet andun pa rin yung puwersa ng boses or power ng boses, no? Na i-showcase yan ni Mariel, which I think is really good, no? Na hindi naman lahat kasi ng version kailangan mong ipilit ba na dapat ganito, dapat may gagawin tayong pasabog, no? And I think that this version is, ano lang siya, para ka lang dinuduyan, no? Pero andun pa rin yung power ng boses niya. Naipakita niya pa rin, but in a very smooth way, okay? Hindi yung parang nagsastruggle na pakinggan yung pagbirit, no? Very soft pa rin yung atake. Low-key, very agile, or yung agility ng boses ni Mariel, andun pa rin. That was very impressive. No? It was simple, yet so impressive. So that's it, and hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you. And by the way, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram. Okay? Peace.